Hey, good morning. We are live. It is Tuesday. Good morning, Trading Ever After. Good morning, Timbo, Nathan Ramirez, Peter Schapp, Almighty, Dean Bishop, R5 Studios, NP. Good morning, S. Good morning, Ace Undercover, Go SPVC. Good morning, Aluwatosin. Good morning. All right, boys, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this. Let's get it. It's go time. I did some debating overnight. I was kind of debating if I want to do this 3-minute strategy today or not. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to keep going at least this week. I'm going to at least give it this week yet and try to follow the rules. And I had to remind myself, losses are part of it. It's frustrating, but let's just try to stick to the plan, not overreact based off of one day. Good morning, Michael, Larry Hudo, Shane. Good morning, Steven. Hung, good morning. Astonishing World. Matty Matt, good morning. How's it going? Let's go. That's right. Let's just get a nice setup. Let's get a nice win. You know what I need? You know what I need? I need some traction, man. I'm not going to be, I don't want to be over aggressive, but I'm going to be more on the aggressive side today. Are you really, Matty Matt? Oh no. I don't know how I feel. I feel good today. I feel great. I actually feel really good about today. So I don't know what that means or not, but hey, we're just gonna take it. I'm okay with a loss. We're going to accept a loss and walk away if that's the case. And if we get a win, I'm going to try also not to be scared of profits. Like, obviously I want to lock in profits, but I don't know why I want to have, I am overdue for like a $600-800 profit day. I feel like that's what I need, but I don't want to be greedy either. So just got to wait and trade the market and take what the market is giving us, not get greedy and accept losses, etc., etc. That's all easier said than done, as we all know. Hey, Black Coffee in the house. Good morning, Black Coffee. How's the weather in Ohio? I went on a walk. Every morning I go on a walk for about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. Man, it was warm this morning. It was like, it's already 78 degrees here in Florida. I was sweating. Good morning, Terry. Luigi, good morning. Sabak, good morning. Yeah, we need boss mode, Sabak. I'm telling you. I need some kind of boss mode enabled. I need a big green day. It's probably not a healthy way to go into the market feeling like I need it, but I really do. I really do. Garcia, good to see you. Christopher, good to see you. Amelia, good to see you. Good morning. It's actually nice this morning. It's 40 degrees and sunny. Let's go. Let's go. All right, everybody. Strap on the seat belt. And good luck, everybody. Make money today. Take that money. Let's all make money in the chat. Everybody make money. If that's somehow possible, let's do that. All right, we are open. 336 is the magic number. And now we wait. And now we wait. Also, got to make sure I do the pre-flight checklist. I am on the correct account. I have the correct ATM strategy. We have our clock up. Also, I forgot my glasses. Whatever. I'll get my glasses later. All right, new lows. We have officially made new lows from the overnight session. So the overnight session, yesterday's highs was all the way up here, the 450s. we tested the 425s 3 different times and failed. So now we are below the low of the overnight session. So that's pretty significant. We might have a short setup here this morning. This makes me nervous. I don't know why. We're just going to accept the losses. We got to accept the losses, man. All right, we are 1.5 minutes away. 1.5 minutes away, and this market is already running without us. Down, down she goes. Good morning, Trader J. Samir, good morning. Sam Owen, good morning. Sharouz, hey, good morning, Sharouz. How's it going? Dean Bishop, good morning. Jose, good morning. Is today going to be the day of a pullback? I guess we will see. All right, here we go. 1 minute left. I would love to see this pull back to like here. I hate to just enter at the new lows. Hey, Mo. Mo with the $50. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. That's a way to start off the day. Thank you, Mo. I appreciate that. Go and Trades, Peter Schapp, Bryce, good morning. Micro Player, good morning. Okay, so now we're trying to rip this thing higher. We are 20 seconds away. Oh, man, this might be a no trade day if this continues. If we're 5 points within the opening price, then we don't take a trade. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we're in. Now, we really, really need a sell-off, folks. Just rip this thing lower. Or we might, it's either going to rip here to new lows or we're going to get trapped. Let's hope it's the latter. Come on. I'm just going to take 2 off here. I can't help myself. I just can't help it. Just feels too dumb not to. Well, crucify me later. Crucify me later. I'm about a minute early. I exited that trade a minute early, but I just don't see a reason not to take that. Now my next exit is not until the close of the 10-minute candle. So the close of the 10-minute candle is when we will take this next trade off. Rip, flush it, baby, go! Come on, give it to me. Flush it, do it. Just give me nothing but a huge red candle here. Would be a great way to start the day. Even if we get stopped out here, it's basically a break-even trade, so come on, market, sell it off. You know we can pull back. There's all kinds of room down here. There's all kinds of room. Come on, right here. Do it. Give me new lows. Give me new lows. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. Does not want to do it. All right. We actually would have exited the trade almost at the exact same place. So really no difference there. Now we just want to see this. It's okay if we just don't want to see this come above this 340 area. As long as we hold below that, feel like we got a good chance here at this selling off. Hey, good morning, Daryl. Kid Poker, good morning. Ace Undercover. TCG Andy, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Max 90, good morning. Good morning, everybody. You can't see the full chart. What? Oh, man. Hang on. I was on the wrong chart for you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, this is... Okay. Now, we're going to see... This is either going to bounce here or we're going to fall apart and go lower. I'm okay either way, but... I mean, obviously, I want this to fall apart and just go lower, but... feel like I could actually just have my stop. I'm going to move my stop like to right here. There's no reason. Come on, Bears. Sell it. Come on, Bears. Give me new lows. Give me new lows here. Come on. You can do it. We are 3 minutes away from closing this next set of exit, or taking our next exit. 3 minutes away. I do like what I'm seeing here. I like what I'm seeing. If we can make a new low right here, that would be great. Okay, right here. Do it. Do it. Yes. Let's go. Now push it. Oh, don't give me a fake out. Just keep going. Do I take some off here? Such a difficult. I'm going to follow the plan. There's no need. There's no need to be over aggressive here. Let the trade work. Let it work. All right, we are 2 minutes away. 2 minutes away from closing this next entry or exit. Taking this next exit. Give me new lows. Give me new lows. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Now it's bouncing. All right. Definitely the Bulls have not really stepped in here. We've not seen a huge move here. Okay, we got 1 minute. 1 minute before we close this. It's gonna suck if this now rips higher, but it's hard to be patient on this trade sometimes. All right, we're going to take one off here at pretty much break even. All right, now we are left with one contract remaining. Our stop needs to be basically, I'm going to have my stop right here. Technically, it should be at break even, but we're so close to break even, I'm going to give it a little more room. Would have been nice to take profits down here, but hindsight's always 2020. Hey, Kelly, how we doing, Kellyanne? Good morning. Good morning. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, I know, S. It's kind of one of those things like if I'm it's a catch-22. I need to follow what I laid out as my rules. Follow that, and then whatever happens, just be okay with it. Really curious if we continue. I'm actually going to move my stop now to break even. And we're going to get stopped out here. Pretty kind of, I mean, it's an okay trade for the opening, but we just never got the follow through on the move lower. Just too choppy. Lately the opening has just been too choppy. But it's all right. I made $2, Matty Matt. I guess that's always better than a loss, right? Better than a loss. Hey, at least it's a green. We're starting out the day green instead of $200 in red. So that is a good thing. Could have been a little better. Could have been better. Yes, it definitely could have, but we're just not getting the follow through on the move. It's just not happening right now, so we're going to struggle through it. All right, let's see if we rip higher. So, looking at, by the way, guys, okay, let's switch to the other chart. By the way, guys, like I was so frustrated yesterday. It's not even funny. Like I was legitimately very, very close to doing some very bad things because of, I literally got stopped out right here. I got stopped out long at the 22,195s, and I got stopped out long at the 22,45s. If I, and then this price action is just perfect for what I'm looking for. And when I opened the chart, like I was very, very, it was hard for me not to do some things. It was not cool, man. That was not okay. All right, we are going higher, folks. 340s. Let's see if we can get above the 340s. I mean, the market only goes higher. We have to remember that. We got to remember market only goes which way? Up. I'm trying to recover my Tradeify accounts. I'm trying to recover my Tradeify accounts. If you didn't hear, 2 days ago, no, last Friday, I hit my daily loss limit on my Tradeify accounts. Basically wiped out $3,200 of profit that I had on all of my accounts. Very, very frustrating. If it wouldn't be for that, I could request a payout tomorrow. So I definitely just cost myself a payout by my trading on Friday. I kind of went on tilt on Friday on those accounts, no denying it. And my MyFunded Futures account, but I've recovered my MyFunded Future, my Take Profit accounts. We have recovered. Actually, here, this is where we're at. This is where we're at right now. I am hoping. So these are my Apex accounts. This is my Tradeify account here that I mean, this account is in good shape, but I can't get a payout because of the 20% consistency rule. And then these 4 Apex accounts are accounts that I passed. I'm going to wait to activate these 50K accounts until these 50K accounts, I want to get these 50K accounts back to like 50,000 balance. And then I'm going to activate the other 50K accounts. That way I can grow them together and get them to a payout together. And then these 5 take profit accounts, we are what, $600 away from passing, except for this one is lagging behind because I had to reset this one. My funded futures, we're about $3,500 away. And then these are the Tradify accounts that I hit the daily loss limit on and basically trying to recover now from. If it wouldn't be for that one day if it wouldn't be for that Friday, last Friday, we'd be sitting really good. But I am trying out this trade copier, by the way. This account dashboard trade copier, I'm trying it out again. This trade account dashboard now works with Tradify as well. It wasn't working with Tradify, but then Joel did an update and now it's working. So I might try to copy trade all of those accounts. I'm just curious if it can handle it. I'm probably only gonna do it like 1 micro, 1 or 2 micros, and just see if it can actually handle. See if it can handle copy trading that many accounts. Right now we have, well, I wouldn't be trading my past evals, so 32 accounts. All right, market pulling back. The other thing I messed up yesterday is trading between 10 and 10:30. Hey, trading with Travis. Good morning, Travis. You ready to do that golf? Travis sent me a video last night of him golfing, and I think he's ready. I think he's ready, man. He's ready for our golf outing. We really need to make this happen, Travis. I'm trading more on the Replicanto. How many accounts, Kellyanne? Yeah, but DGT's having a lot of issues with his trade copiers from what I understand. Okay, 36 with Replicanto. Is it with Ninja Trader as well, Kellyanne? Oh no, Orlando. I see your comment now, Orlando. I'm sorry. That's unfortunate. Sorry, man. That sucks. Okay, I'm also trading props and a personal on the Quant Tower copier. Oh, okay. So I see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I don't know. I've heard different feedback from it. I'm kind of on the fence right now with Tick Tick. I don't know if I want to get Tick Tick or not. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence right now. Feel like I kind of want to, but I don't know. Tick Tick, I'm having issues. Like my credit card company continuously flags Tick Tick Trader as fraud. And there's some red flags there, I feel like. All right, market pulling back here. Can't seem to get above that 370 area. I am not going to trade until past 10:30 now. I learned my lesson yesterday. I'm not doing it. We're going to wait till 10:30 and let this market do its choppiness and go back and forth and get all crazy. And then hopefully after 10:30, the market will decide what it wants to do and we can participate. Okay, Travis, have you had the same issue with Tick Trader with your credit? Like my credit card company will literally not let me use Tick Trader. I even called them to try to, tell them, hey, it's me purchasing and I am the guy doing it. Why will it not go through? And then they say, okay, we've allowed it. It should go through now. Boom, nothing does not go through. It flags it as fraud every single time. And the charges from the credit card is coming through from a country that is called Isle of Man, which is a red flag for me. So, but okay, Travis, have you had are you able to do it? Are you able to do it with, were you able to get it to go through? Oh, really? S. The UK banks seem to be denying APEC. Oh, really? Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. Off the coast of Ireland, it's kind of weird. Yeah, Dream Chaser, it might be. I've used them before and gotten payouts as well, but it was 2 years. Oh, okay, I see. So Tick is actually not based in the US. I see. Okay, Isle of Man is a legit. I can't remember how I paid. I mean, I think you just get paid through Rise, which is fine. Which, by the way, tomorrow I'll be able to request another payout from UProfit. Hopefully it'll go through. So if I get approved there, we'll end the year at 198 in payouts. Wah wah. When does Apex make you go live? I have no idea. It's part of Scotland. Okay, I see. Interesting. Yeah, S. I think so too. I know that credit card companies, if the percentage of chargebacks get pretty high, then that causes a lot of problems. And right now, prop firms are having a lot of issues with chargebacks. Some legitimate maybe, but others that are not legitimate chargebacks. Who is actually live at Apex, Mr. Wall Street? Yeah, I don't know. I've questioned the same. I've directly questioned people at Apex with people actually being live. I've been told they have multiple people on a live account, that they've paid out over $80 million to live accounts, but I have yet to see actual proof. That's all I'll say. Today looks like a short day. It could be. It could be. The Isle of Man sets itself apart from other tax havens, such as the Cayman Islands. Okay, so it has a unique tax. I know it. The Isle of Man. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. I see. Okay, that's interesting. By the way, good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Think that could ultimately screw the props, as we can't do business with them. See, okay, but here's the other problem. I know of multiple people that have done chargebacks at Apex when they were mad. Maybe they just blew some accounts or whatever. Or when Apex changed some rules, they got upset. They threw a tantrum. So they charged back their cards. And now they're banned. And now they're using their wife's identity. They're using their brother's identity. Like that. I've just make a mental note of this. That is why also, that is partially why you are seeing people being asked to trade live and to send videos, because people are literally using other people's identity to trade because they've done chargebacks on themselves. And I mean, I'm not against doing chargebacks, but just be careful. It makes sure, because just be careful, because you might have regrets. It got to be worth it. And you will get banned. If you do a chargeback, Apex will allow you to do a chargeback, but you will be banned. And then if they find out that you've been using other people's identity, that person will get banned, and you're going to have major issues. You're not going to get payouts. Gem, how long has my P&L been stuck in this cycle of ups and downs, Gemfu? Oh, that's kind of a painful question. That's a painful question, Gemfu. But it has been a long time. It feels like forever, but I mean, basically, here, let me just look. It's been like 3 months. Like, these Apex accounts, I have literally been up, down, up, down, up, down, up. P Trader, why is Amex not accepted? Because Amex is notoriously known for A, they have higher fees, but then B, they are also very even, okay, so if you do, and I know this from running a business, okay, but they do, like, okay, even if you have a company that can prove a legitimate transaction, Amex will just not care about the retail side of it, and they'll refund. So that's why a lot of people, they don't use Amex, because of that case, and also the higher fees. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, John. How's it going? Gemfu, no, you're fine. That's a very fair question. That is totally a fair question. I've struggled, man. I won't deny it. I will not deny it. I'll be, I mean, you can, if you've been following my journey, you would know that I've been, so these accounts that I have here with Apex, the 50K accounts, I've traded for 27 days now. So the 50K accounts I've had for 27 traded days. And, whoa, Patrick Wieland. Let's go, Patrick. Why the 250? What happened? Patrick Whelan with the $250? Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, man. By the way, when is the competition up? Like the voting. When is the voting? When does that end? Hang on, I need to tune into him. Did something happen, or what did I do? I did? I won? Tell me it ain't so. Did I actually win? Did I? Did I? Wait, did I actually win? Oh, it's gonna be a giveaway day today. Al Patrick Whelan says he loves Nutty. Let's go. Did he? I thought he needs to trade one more day, and then he has his 500K payout. That's awesome. I mean, we've given Patrick a lot of crap over the year. You know, we have. But lately, like this past 6 months, he's getting those payouts, and you got to give credit where it's due. We got to give credit where it's due. He's been killing it, and he's about to lock in a 500K payout. Man, I would take that. I would take that 1 year. I would just take one payout like that for the year, and then I would retire. Oh, man. Let's go. But is it confirmed? Did we win? Did we actually win the $5,000? Dude, if we did, you guys, first of all, we're going to have some crazy giveaways. But that's a great way to start the day. That is a great way to start the day, man. The most generous prop trader on YouTube. Yep. Hey, it's Christmas time. Hey, here's what we're going to do, guys. That we have so far through Mo and Patrick, we have $300 in. We have $300. So we are going to do at least a $300 giveaway today. Even if we end red and I'm upset, we will still do the giveaway. All right, let's do it. And if we actually got the $5,000, I assume it's for the small streamer. Like, if we actually got that, we're going to do even more giveaways, folks. Look at this price. Wow. New lows down through the 280s. We did not make it above that 370. Very interesting. I'm not going to trade until past 1030. I learned my lesson. Gem Fu, hold on to your shorts. That was a big dump. Big dump. All right, now my goal for today is really would love to pass my take profit accounts today. This is the first time that I am passing take profit, like where I'm actually taking my take profit accounts seriously. If I lose these take profit accounts, I'm not kidding. I'm going to like somehow go into my internet settings and I'm going to ban take profit from my browser. Like I'm going to self-exclude myself. Oh. You just made a ton of money. Let's go, Kellyanne. Let's go, Kellyanne. Lock it in, lock it up. We love to see it. Everybody make money. I have take profit payout coming today. Nicely done, Travis. You've been doing great with take profit trader, Travis. For some reason, take profit trader is like a curse for me. It is cursed. I am cursed when it comes to take profit trader. There's just something about it. I just can't do it. I don't know what it is. Let me show you the take profit way. Do they have, Travis, do they have strict rules about other people trading your account? I assume that that's probably not allowed. The thing is, I know how to trade, but when it comes to take profit, this go around, I am literally treating these accounts. I am treating them the same way that I am treating my Apex. I'm just going to take it very seriously. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mo, what is going on, Mo? Mo with the $100? What is going on? Okay, Mo, thank you, but you don't have to do that. Oh my gosh. But thank you, Mo. Bless you for that. And now we have a $400 giveaway that we're going to do today. Because take profit trader takes your account if you hit the daily loss limit. Consistent trader, yeah, that's definitely part of it. That is definitely part of it where I don't know. I struggle when it comes to walking away with take profit trader. Like, I've had days where I've had $4,000 days and I think it's not enough. And I keep trading it and it's terrible. So I just need to be more disciplined when it comes to take profit. Take my slow, steady gains and walk away and look at it as a long-term investment, not a quick play on getting a payout. Like, oh my God. Okay, guys. Okay, Kellyanne with a $200 donation. What is going on here today? Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kellyanne. We are now going to do a $600 duck race. $600 duck race is happening. It's a jolly Christmas today. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. You guys are awesome. You guys are crazy. Thank you, Kellyanne. You didn't have to do that. I appreciate that. Hit that like button. We are going to have ourselves a duck race for the ages. I'm trying to think, how are we going to do this duck race? $600 duck race. We'll have to decide, do we want to do multiple duck races or just one big one? Or do we want to do one big one and pay out more people? We got time. We got time to think about it. Or we do the horse race. Yeah, we should do the horse. The horse race is almost too crazy. Like, the horse race is just craziness. I almost can't even announce it. It's so crazy. Do multiple and spread the love. Oh no, Travis. Both of your kids are sick. Oh man, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's not fun having sick kids. That reminds me. I need to go make sure my one kid is doing his homework right now. I'll be right back. Oh, now I forgot my glasses again. Guys, look at this. Delicious. Look at that deliciousness. Oh, a pumpkin bar. Oh, you best believe it, it's delicious. Made by my better half. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm, it's so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys heard that COVID is back? Please, please, no, I cannot handle another round of COVID. Back to school today with some kind of nasty bug going on or going around for sure. Hope they feel better. Yeah, that's not fun. Especially when the sickness starts going through school and oh, that's not a good time. Did you know as an adult it's perfectly illegal to have pumpkin pie first thing in the morning? Nobody actually arrests you. That is a good thing to know. Hey, Amaral, good morning. Jay, good morning. How do you join the race, Jay? You just hang around in chat, and when I say it's time to do it, then you just type in chat and you will be automatically entered. So basically, you just need to be here. And we are pulling back again. This is starting to look like we're going to have a pullback day, but daily chart looks like this. Man, it's a crazy chart. Crazy looking chart. Charoos. Mikey, I'm here almost every day. The duck race is for sure rigged. Supposedly. Supposedly. Yeah, bend over. Mm. By the way, guys, oh my gosh. Okay, we need to talk about this. Um, oh man, I don't even know if I want to bring this up. Do I want to bring this up or not? Of course I'm going to bring it up. I don't know any better. We're going to probably lose we're going to lose we might lose some patience. We might lose some people here. But we got to talk about this cuz it just tickles my funny bone. Oh man. Let me finish my Oh no, here's Alpine. Good morning, Alpine. Alpine in the building. Yeah, hang on. For some of you, this is not going to entertain you, but for me, it really tickles me. We gotta talk about it. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. This is so good. When's the last time I had a Nutty Bar? Oh man, it has been a while. I thought you wanted to lose 20 pounds. Eddie, that was next week. We all know the best time to start going on a diet is January 1st, okay? So just give me some time. Okay, so what I wanted to talk about, I'm going on tilt with my eating. That's fair. Hey, how we doing, Matthew? Good to see you. Yes, we're finally green. Could have been better, could have been worse. It's fine. Overall, we're actually having a really good day overall. We're having a great day overall. We're about $400 away from passing our take profit accounts. So knock on wood. Let's not prematurely celebrate here. Okay, so what I wanted to talk about is, have you guys heard of the final experiment? And again, I know there's some of you out there with a certain belief, but I'm sorry, this is too funny for me. We need to talk about it. So, I didn't hear about anything about the final experiment until it was about 4 days ago. 4 days ago, it popped up on my Twitter feed, and it was talking about flat Earth. And it was basically the flat Earth and the globe Earth community going back and forth and yada, yada, yada. No Ace Undercover, nope. Okay, so there's a guy in Denver, Colorado that he believes the Earth is in a sphere, whatever. And so he starts making, I forget how it started exactly, but this is what happened. There were people in the flat Earth community that were adamantly claiming that there is no possible way for there to be a 24-hour sun in Antarctica, okay? Because the globe Earth model obviously shows that there would be a 24-hour sun between December 14th and December 18th. In the Antarctica, there will be a 24-hour sun. Basically, the sun does not set for 3 days. Okay? Well, the flat Earth community was saying there is no way that's possible, period. Like, they made some crazy claims that is not true. And first of all, they said you can't even go to Antarctica. Because according to the flat Earth, there's a big ice wall, and it's heavily guarded. That's where the edge of the world is, so you can't go there. Anyway, they actually, this guy said, hey, I will take any one of you flat earthers and I will fly you to Antarctica and we will show it with your own eyes. Okay, so and a couple of the flat earthers, that were talking the loudest, they declined. They were like, no, they don't like the cold. But there were a couple of them that actually were like, okay, I will go. And this guy made an agreement with them that, hey, if the sun sets, then, hey, I was wrong. But he had them actually, say, if there is a 24-hour sun, then, obviously it's, the Earth is a globe. Anyway, you got to follow along kind of with the different videos, but the flat earthers were so paranoid that they're going to be like, they were afraid that they're going to be flown into some, weird place that isn't Antarctica. Anyway, they had like 8 different compasses, and they had a flight radar tracker for the airplane. Basically, they had like crazy amounts of evidence that showed that they flew south, and they actually flew to Antarctica. They landed in Antarctica, and actually they were in Antarctica, and they saw a 24-hour sun. The sun did not set. And it is absolutely comical to me how these people reacted once they actually saw that what they are believing might not be true. And I don't know why, but that just, it has consumed me the last 2 to 3 days. I've been watching so many videos. Oh my, I don't know why I find that, I think it's pretty funny. And it amazes me. But here's what's funny. So the flat earthers that went along, they all agreed that there is a 24-hour sun, and they definitely went to Antarctica, and hey, it is what it is. They admitted that they were wrong. But now the flat earth community is alienating them and telling them that, no, you guys are shills. You've been paid off, and you've been paid off by NASA, yada, yada, yada. And they're now excommunicating them from the flat earth community. The coping that is happening with the other flat earthers is just absolutely crazy. It's crazy. But anyway, that just it is crazy to me how some, like, they couldn't help it. They won't believe whatever they see. And we are about to make, why are my charts not matching up? Oh, never mind, it is. I was looking at I was looking at my 15-minute chart and I got confused. I think they should create a game show for flat earthers and split them into two groups, and whatever finds the edge first wins. Yes, I did roll over, Alpine. I did. How was your day, Alpine? Yeah, Timbo. It was just crazy. Like, okay, here's the other thing. Like, it's actually really cool. Like, it is really cool that, like, the guys here, actually, I'll show it. So this is from the final the final experiment is what it's called. But this, like this right here. So this is a time lapse of the 24-hour sun. And watch it. It is really crazy. And the sun actually goes right to left. And watch. This is a time lapse of the 24-hour sun in Antarctica. It's pretty amazing, to be honest. It's pretty amazing. That is about as high as it will get. And there you have it. 24-hour sun in Antarctica. Gary Brooks. I don't think there's any requirements to join. But that's it. I mean, it's really cool. It is really cool. But anyway, it was so funny to me to, okay, and the reason that it's kind of more like, the reason that is kind of, I have a family member, like I have an immediate family member that believes the earth is flat. And it is like one of the most useless discussions that you can have as a human being, to try to reason and point things out. It's like, it hurts my brain. And to see, because I've actually never actually seen or heard of someone that once they are flat earth, that they've actually changed their minds regardless what evidence they see. But these people that were actually in Antarctica and actually saw it for their own, like with their own eyes, and they knew they were in Antarctica, those people actually, one of the three flat earthers actually changed his mind. The others, I don't think, have officially changed their minds, but they've at least admitted that there is a 24-hour sun in Antarctica. Because with the flat earth model, the reason that doesn't make sense is, hey, thank you, Kellyanne. Thank you again for the 200. We'll definitely be doing the duck race probably before I end stream or toward the end of stream. Did I miss? No, I'm not going to trade until after 10:30. That's my new rule. I'm not doing it. Thank you again, Kellyanne. Thank you. But yeah, I used to think that there was no such thing as people that actually believe the earth is flat. I thought it was kind of a meme until I've actually met someone that actually believes it, and it is so it is a maddening discussion. That's all I will say. Anyway, all right, market. I mean, this feels like we're just drifting lower, but also kind of feels like we're just waiting. We do have FOMC. What is FOMC? Is FOMC tomorrow? Okay, so it is Wednesday. Okay, so it is tomorrow. By the way, John, John, when are you coming to Florida? I forget. You're coming next week? Is that right? Okay, market about to make new lows. About to make new lows here. Trading is funny. You might be surprised at how many flat earther, diesel mechanics, and hot topic cashiers tell my wife how to practice medicine or explain science. She's a plastic surgeon. Yeah, I can imagine. I actually can imagine that. Okay, the 31st. Okay. Okay, so in 2 weeks. Okay, in 2 weeks. You're gonna love it, John. I'm trying to look actually. How is the weather supposed to be like in 2 weeks? Oh, now we're okay. Let's we did not make new lows on that move. Now we're Oh, I believe it. Trading is funny. I believe it. I will only I there's a lot of Amish doctors. Let's just put it that way. 10:30 a.m. on the dot. Oh, it is. I didn't even see. Oh, wow. Okay, we are officially released from prison. We're officially released from jail, and we can take a trade. Could be 50 and rainy, and it's much better than it will be here. Yeah, exactly, John. By the way, John, you're staying in a beautiful place. Okay, let me look. Let me look at the extended weather. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. It'll be nice. I'm gonna try to get around a golf in today. It's beautiful here today. Maybe once I get Patrick Whelan money, I'm gonna buy a house here in Florida so I can come down here every winter. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. A long way away. If I'm playing any links golf, what is links golf? Links golf. Do you know where Bobby Jones golf course is actually where I play golf here in Florida? It's actually a really nice course. It's not that difficult, but the greens are really nice, well taken care of. When I go golfing, I don't care so much about, like, the number one thing I care about when I go golfing is the greens. If I get to a golf course and the greens are bad, oh, I see now what you mean, Travis. No, I have not. I haven't. I see now what, yeah, okay, that makes sense. But if I get to a golf course and the greens are bad, I won't go there again. That will just, there's nothing worse than golf without ignite, with bad greens. And when I say bad greens, when they don't roll them, when they don't take care of them, they're not mowed correctly. Like, oh, I can't handle it. Oh, the bunkers are like craters. Yeah, that gets me too. When the bunkers are hard, but here's what I do. If the bunkers are hard and not actually true bunkers, I won't hit out of the bunker. I'll just take it out. Yeah, Matthew, it's difficult. Tatum Ridge? Oh, yeah. Let me look at that. Tatum Ridge. I think... Wait, I golfed on this golf course Saturday a week ago. Tatum Ridge. I was here. This was the course I was at Saturday a week ago. Nice. Nice. Hey, we might be... Maybe we're going to put in the reversal right here. This has the potential of reversing right here. Starting to think about taking a stab at it. If we make a move up above this 80 level, kind of like it. All right, we need to get above that, though. Just be patient. You're not supposed to aim for the bunkers. Tell me about it. Wait, John, I need to see this. It helped me decide golfing was a waste of my time and money. John, we should go. We should go golfing when you're here in Florida, John. You would like it. We would have fun, wouldn't we? Would you be up for that, John? If you're here, we'll go play around a golf, just totally casual golf, and just have a good time. Let's do it, John. Instead of going out for lunch, let's go golfing. That'd be awesome. I mean, we can do both to be. I mean, we can do both to be. I mean, that's fine with me. Let's do it, John. Let's plan on it. Let's plan on it. We'll play $100 per hole. I like what Matty Matt is saying. John's probably just, he'll come in and beat me every single hole. He'll take $1,800 from me. It's fun if you like wrapping clubs around trees. Design knob. Design knob. I would love to go golfing with you. I feel like it would be very entertaining. I spend $100 a hole on golf balls. Oh, too funny. Okay, if we do not make new lows here, I am interested in a long. If we don't make new lows right here, I feel like there is some potential here. Mm-mm-mm. I want to see this. I would love to see this get above this 280. Like, let's get above this and then pull back, and then I'm in. It's kind of what I'm waiting for. I really need to work on being more patient. Yesterday was so glaringly obvious to me that all I needed to do yesterday was just be a little more patient. Oh, I was so mad yesterday. At the end of the day, looking back at the chart, I was so frustrated. Hey, Truth Trader, yes. Patrick Whelan dropped a 250 bomb, and Kellyanne dropped a $200 bomb, and Mo dropped I forget how much. Mo dropped a $150 bomb. It's been crazy in here. We are now going to be doing a $600 giveaway later on in the stream. $600 duck race, Santa race, horse race, whatever. Whatever, we're doing it. I'm visualizing Ted Knight in Caddyshack now. Go in the hole. I play a mean game of putt-putt. Design knob. That, I don't know why, but I feel like design knob would just be hilarious when I going golfing with him. Oh my word, design. I'm just watching that video. Look at that gator. That is crazy. Yeah, if we see a gator like that, I'm out. Okay, we're ripping. Okay, now we just need a pullback. This is where it's hard because sometimes we do not get pullbacks when we break through here. And I don't want to chase it, but just give me a pullback here. Doesn't have to be crazy. Wow, it's just gonna go, baby. It's gonna rip. Yeah, that's a scary creature. Have you ever thought about making merchandise for your community? I would definitely support. Matthew, yeah, I have, I guess. I have. I definitely something I want to do in the like sometime in the future on my bucket list. All right, come on, market. Just give me a nice little pullback. It's just gonna keep going without me. Go figure. Logo for my merch, Nutty Bar, bar none. Not a bad idea. All right. Feel like there's a V shape coming here. I just don't want to get too aggressive, but just gotta wait for that pullback. Oh, excuse me. Hey, let's go, Dab. Let's go. Have the. This is my only merch I have. Nutty Bar t-shirt. And it's just self-made. All right, we're getting the pullback. This is where patience. We need to be patient. Okay, now this is starting to get a little concerning. This is a little more than a pullback now. Yikes. Oh, boys. It's starting to become pucker up time. Here, I'm so cool. I shouldn't even show this. I'm so close. I've got two of my take profit now passed. So we can take these two off. Look. We're $20 away. We're so close. Okay, we need to pay attention here. I'm doing it. Give me a runner. Give me a runner, Sally. I need a runner. Man, I wish I would have taken that trade on my other ones. Oh, baby, go. Just feel me. Hello? Don't tease me now. Don't tease. Don't tease. Oh, come on. All right, I'm just going to get out right there, and we're going to hopefully get another entry here. And I'm still in a trade. All right. Feel like this could pull back right here again, hopefully. Come on, give me a pullback. There we go. See if we... Hey, nice. Good idea, Matthew. Good idea. Good idea. I waited till it came all the way back up. Kind of. Kind of. All right, we have officially passed 4 of the 5 take profits. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Now we need to pass my funded futures. Now we need to pass. Can we? There's no 50%. There's no consistency rule on evals for my funded futures, I don't think. Hey, Joanne, back. Thank you. We're still not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Man, I'm kind of hesitant to pull the trigger all the way up here. Just don't want to enter up here at the previous level. I'd rather wait. So the starter plus, I forget which one I got. Let me look. Is it me or is the NQ moving super weird? It's barely tradable. It might be because of the March contract. It could be. I don't even know which accounts I have. This is my funded, like this was my, I hit the daily loss limit here. This was yesterday. But what does this mean? I'm so clueless when it comes to my funded futures. Current, I have traded now 10 days, I guess. Is that what that means? And it says, what does this mean? Like right here's my days. The minimum day is 1, so there is no consistency. I could pass these today if I want. I mean, maybe I don't want to, but maybe I do. And then my other take profit, that's one of the take profits I had to reset, so there's no need to rush that one. We're $700 away, but we might as well wait. I still need to trade that for 2 more days. All right, we're going to try to pass the My Funded Futures. All right, give me a nice pullback here, and we're going to jump all over it. Okay, you know what? I don't want to do it now. I wanted to kind of test if I copy trade that many accounts. I kind of wanted to test it, but that would just be stupid to test it on a past eval and then somehow something weird happens and I end up losing the account. Wow, this is really bullish. It's not even giving me much of a pullback at all. Hey, traitorous chick in the house, Sharoos. Pine Tree Trader, how we doing? Let's get it. So I'm trying to think what I want to do. Okay, now those are some pretty big wicks here. Give me a pullback down to the 280s here. I'd love a pullback to the 280s and then get a good entry. No pullbacks. We are long. Just hold on, Sharoos. You left the station without me, okay? I want in. Oh, you guys aren't going to wait on me. You guys aren't waiting on me, I see. You're just going to leave. It's kind of rude. Kind of rude. The 3-minute charge, the wicks are the other way? Haha, interesting. Well, that's unfortunate. And another wick. That's a little bit concerning. Mockery, we are all long. Do you guys need me to go short? Is that what you're telling me? Do you guys need me to go short? A sacrificial lamb? How were you able to sustain and pass your accounts? How many did you start at a time? And when did you scale in with more? Do you have a target goal for the day? Please and thank you. I mean, are you talking about my Apex accounts? My Apex accounts, I've had these accounts for, oh man, when did I pass? You know what? Let's look. I'm actually curious. I've traded these accounts for about 87 traded days. But I'm actually let me see if I can find out when did I activate these accounts. So I activated these accounts. I mean, this could be a little give and take, but June 12th. So these 250K accounts and 150K accounts, I activated these accounts on June 12th. That's crazy. On June 12th, I activated these accounts, and it is currently December 17th. So I have had these accounts for 6 months. 6 months. That's crazy. That is actually kind of crazy. Hey, and that has been my goal, is to keep my funded accounts longer. Now, there does come an asterisk with that, and that is I would like to see me get more payouts from these accounts as I'm holding them longer. I would like to see myself getting more payouts from these accounts, but at least we're holding on to these accounts a lot longer than what we used to. It used to be a miracle if I held on to an account longer than a month. Progress, baby. Progress. All right. I'm going to jump in here. Okay, guys, I'm on the train now. Train can officially leave the building. Hey, 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 hey. That was a little bit scary. Need this thing to rip. I'm going to have my target at VWAP. I'm not going to be greedy today. I'm going to take my base hits and move on. You know what? I'm actually going to take my profit right there. No greed today. We're not going to be a dick for a tick. We're just going to take our base hits and move on to the next trade. And it's wanting to stall here, so just get me out. Get me out. Base hits, baby. Whoa, Jose. Jose, easy, easy, Jose. I don't know if you meant to spam the chat or not, but I feel like you wouldn't do that. But hey, thank you. I think the question is, how did you come up to that? Oh, did you come from money? Yes, so I mean, I definitely did not come from money. If you mean like, was I born into money? Definitely not. We weren't poor, but we definitely weren't rich. But no, when I started trading with prop firms 2 years ago, I was a 50% owner in a business and, you know, making decent money. I don't want to say I was making anything crazy, but I was making enough money that I could, you know, spend $2,000 a month or so on evals and PA fees and etc. without it, you know, ruining my life. So that's how I started. Travis, I'm making 100,000 a month in affiliates. Man, I wish. Travis. If I was, I could start acting like Patrick Wheeland. I'm just kidding. How did you do yesterday? Oh, Travis, please don't ask. Travis, you want to know pain? I'll show you pain. Here, I'll show you pain, Travis. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait, where was... What? Okay, Travis, we got to zoom in here. If you want to know how my day went yesterday, I got stopped out at the 195s. Are you keeping track? I got stopped out right here at the 195s, and then I got stopped out long at the 250s. And then I called it a day. I called it a day and I walked away after this loss, and then look at this market. Just a beautiful market that I did not participate in. I was mad. I was upset. I actually was, legitimately. It is what it is. It is what it is. Nutty owns Apex. I wait. Dude, you guys, if I would own Apex, you know how nice you guys would have it? I mean, I would be fair, okay? If I owned a prop firm, I've said this in the past. Al Black, I'm an eval salesman. Actually, not. Did you guys know? Um, see, prop firms actually don't want influencers like me. Influencers like me that don't burn and churn through evals are not as attractive for prop firms as people that will blow through evals like it's hotcakes. And, you know, a lot of people don't, they that's not their preferred, it's true. I can assure you. Well, even the fast track trading, when the text messages came out, they literally were looking for YOLO influencers. The influencers that churn and burn a lot of eval accounts and get payouts. See, that's the key. They want to, the ideal of influencer is someone that earns and burns through evals, but also does get payouts, because it makes it appear like that is what you have to do in order to get payouts, when you really don't need to. You can take it slow. You won't make money maybe as fast, but you also won't lose money as fast. And that's basically what I'm trying to do. I am not making money as fast, but I'm trying to not lose as fast. But to be fair, like I'm trying to think, like my Top Step accounts, that I treated more like an earn and burner. I was a schemer and a scammer. By the way, did you guys see, hey, I hear you, Travis. It's not easy. I'm not where I want to be. I'm definitely holding on to my accounts for longer, which I do like, but I just can't seem to be making progress. So it's frustrating. It's very frustrating, but we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going and try to stay on track. Yeah, Travis, I saw that Top Step was taking forever to get your funds into your live account, but it looked like they got it taken care of. Oh, see, I could go long again right here, but we touch VWAP here. I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to be a little patient here. Let it do its thing. I feel like we are in for a little bigger pullback before we making another attempt higher. On an eval, when the 30-day renewal happens, does the account balance reset? If it is, Almighty, it only resets if it's a blown eval. So I always say, if you're close to that 30 days, then you should be really aggressive with your evals, because you've got nothing to lose. Either, I always play it where either pass the account before it gets rebuild, or make it so it's blown before it gets rebuild, because it's kind of a free, it's going to be a reset anyway, so you might as well take advantage of it. But if you don't blow it and if it's not a blown eval, then it won't reset. It'll just rebuild, which is, unless you're really close to hitting your profit target, you don't really want to do that. I've been waiting since September. No rules broken. Nice, Duggan. All right, we are pulling back, folks. Okay, maybe we can come test this opening range low, the 280s. Maybe. There is also a chance that we just dip lower and make new lows on the day. So we got to be careful here. We're below the EMA now. Don't want to step in front of a freight train. Yeah, Almighty. I mean, I guess depends how you look at it, Almighty, but I mean, it wouldn't make sense for them to reset your account if it isn't blown. I mean, or I feel like that's not really Apex out to get you. It's it's, whoa, what the, what was that? What what happened? Hello? Hello, markets. Where are you? What's going on? Did we just have, there must have been news or something. They probably caught it. They probably caught the drones in New Jersey. That's probably what happened. 200 contract buy, then a 100 contract buy according to Bookmap. Interesting. That must have been me on my alt account. Just kidding. Talking about Trump pumps a few days ago, maybe he blasted out on X. Actually, it could be. Oh, that is so true, John. We have to start having a live feed of Twitter, like down here somewhere on our chat. Maybe we need to have a live Twitter feed right above the clock that shows live when Trump tweets. We need a Trump feed. So if Trump tweets, we get notified immediately. Because that is true. Like, that is actually a thing. What a spike. What a rip that was. I mean, this went from the 85s up to the 315s in like 3 seconds. That is crazy. The orange man is going to make us all money. Hey, I'm here for it, Reezy. I'm here for it. I'm an equal opportunity moneymaker. I don't care how it happens. I don't care what we do. If we make money, we'll take it. Is Trump tweeting from the toilet again? He would do that. He probably makes all his tweets from the toilet. That's when he has the most time. He doesn't need a toilet. He has a diaper. Oh, what? Look at that. Look at it go. Oh, man. I mean, I can't really chase this, but if you caught that long, wow. Nicely done. Nicely done. Ooh, baby. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have so many accounts now. I'm not even quite sure what I'm. It's kind of crazy. I still haven't fully decided what I'm going to do. I have not fully decided what I'm going to do with all my accounts. Like, I feel like it is kind of dumb to just trade them all together. And I do have quite a bit of success trading the overnight sessions. So I might keep just copy trade my certain accounts in the overnight sessions and then keep trading my Apex accounts in the day sessions. I'm not sure yet. I don't know yet. Come on, pull back. Oh, by the way, John, John, are you in here? Yeah, John. So, John, you're coming down here at the right time. Our street. Okay, maybe I didn't even tell you, John, but we live like where you're staying and where I'm staying. We are literally. I think I could throw a stone and almost hit. Like we're that close together. We are really, really close together. But the hurricane relief like the people that are doing the cleanup for the hurricane, they're finally cleaning up our streets. It's been kind of an eyesore like basically there's just all the down trees and the debris is just kind of beside the road, and some of it in the middle of the road, where basically just a lot of stuff everywhere. And they finally are cleaning up our area of the street now. Of course, the touristy places down by Siesta Beach and those places got priority. And things are looking pretty good. Things are looking good. John, get to join my Speedo pool time. We're gonna have to have a strict policy on cameras. No cameras allowed. Oh man, I'm not sure about this. Might have to take a rain check. I can already envision. Oh man. All right, market. Give me a pullback. Come on. It is not going to do it. We're just going to keep ripping higher, huh? I don't really want to chase this. I guess we wait. Hey, Empire Steve, how we doing? We're doing swell. We're doing just great. No pullback territory. Just keeps going straight up here. It's fine. We chilling. We are chilling. Man, I wish I would have caught that move on my other accounts. We'd be, do I have any accounts with my take profit? I do, right here. I literally, finally, today, passed these take profit trader accounts. Got passed this morning. We're having a productive day today, thankfully. After yesterday, we needed a day like today for sure. Now I just need to pass these my funded future accounts. I'll probably just wait. We can pass them tomorrow. We got all week. We got all week to pass those. I'm not in a crazy hurry. We now have a high resistance liquidity above. Does anyone know if you can trade Apex and take profit trader on the same Ninja license? Yes. You sure can, TCM Trades. That's what I'm doing. Are the other accounts traded overnight? Martin, AP, yeah. Okay, so all of these Tradeify accounts, all of the My Fund of Futures and the Take Profit Trader, when I started out this morning, I had about $1,000 per account that was from trading the overnight session. The rest of it was from then after 10:30. What type size accounts do you have with My Fund of Futures? I think it's the starter plan, and it's the 150Ks. So do you actually buy the Ninja Trader account with? No. So this is where this is. So I have a rhythmic connection with my Apex accounts, and my rhythmic connections with my Apex accounts are, all of those accounts are rhythmic, and then my Take Profit Trader, my Funded Futures, Tradeify, those are Tradeivate connections, and the Tradeivate connections are connected to Ninja Trader, that's how I can trade them all together. You can only have one Rhythmic account connection, and then the rest of it has to be Tradeovate connections. Oh, really, Tilly the Dawn? I'm sorry. I had a day like that yesterday. I had a max loss day yesterday. I was very frustrating. Oh, I feel like yesterday, if I would have kept trading, I could have dug myself out of the hole, but obviously it was good I didn't. Who knows how it would have gone. All right, we're getting a pullback. I want to see a pullback like down to the 320s. Yeah, Martin AP. I do love the overnight trading. I do. Most of my, actually, I went short in the overnight trading. So I went to bed around midnight and I entered, basically the price was right here. I entered a short trade at the 420s. That was my trade for the overnight session. Was I entered a short at the 420s and I had a take profit at the 380s with one mini and a stop loss. Stop loss was like at, I forget where it was, like 440s, something like that. I think the reason I trade so good overnight is because I just put on the trades and I'm sleeping. I don't micromanage them. I just let it happen. I enter at my level and then, you know, I don't even find out. I wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh wow, it hit my target, or sometimes I get stopped out. But either way, you know, I just let the trade work. It's a lot harder. It is a lot harder to do that when you're sitting and watching the chart. That much I do know. At least it is for me. That's why sometimes you will see me put on a trade during the day. When I'm here, I'll put on a trade and I will just leave the room. Do I keep your PC on overnight? Yes, for sure, my selfie. Yep. And this is actually kind of nice compared to at home because right behind me is our bed. So I keep the closet door open with my PC on. And if, like last night, I woke up around 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. and I just kind of peek in to see how my, and I could see at a glance that, oh, I'm pretty sure it hit my target. So I'm like trading from my bed. Oh, what a degenerate. Okay, we are about to test the 320s. It's time to prepare. What strategy do I use to take overnight trades, Ryan? My overnight trades are more, I trade more like the resistance and support areas. Like I'll find previous support resistance areas and then I'll enter long or short on those levels. And then like some days in the morning, it never actually comes to my price. Hang on, this might, let's see if we get triggered here or not. Thought it might get me in, but maybe not. And we're in. Right now, like I feel like I would trade better if I would just leave the room. But I think we're okay. Come on, market. Don't do me dirty. Make sure you wear sunscreen while outside. If not, you'll end up with a new face like me. Dude, is really? Are you serious, Empire Steve? Man, I'm sorry. That's not cool. Yeah, I definitely do. I use sunscreen though, even though like it I am definitely getting the sun is definitely pretty hot out here or down here. Oh, this is not looking hot, folks. Not looking good. Do we just get out? Oh, this is where it's easier to just leave the room. We're just gonna let this trade work. Come on, market. Just rip it. You can do it. You know what? I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll be right back. Hey, we're back, baby. Oh, the old leave the room. Leave the room and the price just goes to your target. Oh, I don't know why, I just love that. You love to see it. You love to see it. Carolina, how we doing, Carolina? Oh, we're still... Hang on, that's just a phantom account. That's a phantom order. Now we're good. What type of trading account do you have? I don't know. Which one? The 150. Oh man, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this day and just frame it somewhere. Because it just makes me happy. It just makes me, it gives me the warm and fuzzies. But I have the 150K straight to funded Tradify accounts is what I have. All right, we are $2,500 away from passing our My Funded Futures. Do we just stop now? Feel like it's not a terrible idea to stop now. I don't know if I'm going to use other prop firms. Yeah, I've always used other prop firms. What type of trade if I... Yeah, so the 150 straight to funded is what I have. I only had... So I started out with one straight to funded account. And then I got two payouts. I got $6,000 worth of payouts with that one Tradify account. And then I used those payouts to buy. And then I bought them when they had the buy 4, get 1 free. I got the rest of my accounts. And we are breaking out. Wow. Now, can we break that 370 area that we could not break this morning? Wow, look at that. We just ripping this thing higher. Man. Really, you could have taken another entry right here at the 350s, but oh man, let's go, Sharoos. $200 in 3 seconds. Aren't those the best kind of trades, Sharoos? The best kind of trades is when you, for me anyway, is when I enter a buy stop order. Like here, I'll enter a buy stop order, and then it like goes through that order and hits your first target within like the first 2 seconds. It's just like boom, boom. That's the best feeling. Best feeling ever. What was my overnight entry and exit? It was like my entry was basically right here at the 4. I think I had it at the 420s. I'm not even sure. I have to go back and look. That was on... Yeah, 421s. 421s. And my exit was right here at like the 380s, I believe. This thing is just ripping higher, folks. This is one of those moments where I feel like I'm seeing the market really well, and we're starting to have a really nice uptrend. So I kind of want to keep trading, like, but at the same time, I don't want to give back profits either. What do you do? The old when to walk away dilemma. Hey, Justice, you're under review for my one account. Hope Apex approves it. I hope they do, Justice. Nicely done getting to that point and being able to submit, that's awesome. Are prop firms here for good, Samir? I mean, I don't know. I can't tell the future. If you want to do some devastation, go look at Damn Good Trading's P&L today. Ouch. I don't want to see it then. I did notice. I know. No, that is, but I feel like, okay, I notice a couple things with me when I copy trade accounts. I do feel like I'm more disciplined. Like, I am way more disciplined with my trading when I'm copy trading my accounts. But on the same note, I do like, so far I've had a difficult time like gaining traction, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not blowing up, but I'm just doing this. I'm just going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's what right now, that's my biggest struggle, is just not gaining traction to the point where I'm actually steadily growing. I'm just steadily going sideways. So which isn't like, I don't look at that as like a terrible thing. But at some point we gotta start making a move higher and get these account balances higher, because just keep going sideways just doesn't get it, man. Hey, Valdivere, first Apex payout approved yesterday. Let's go, Valdivere. This is for you. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Very nicely done. Everybody, round of applause to Valdivere. I think I'm probably not saying that right, but your first ever payout, man, that's a special moment right there. I remember that's special. I think you had to find the number of accounts you can copy before you get skittish. I am more confident trading one account and not as much with 5+. Yeah, so for me, it's more about if I start trading, if I only trade one account, I get reckless. Like, if I trade one account now, it's like, I don't really care about it. And I just my risk management isn't really good. It's like I don't care enough about it. And versus when I'm copy trading multiple accounts together, I have better risk management and I have better discipline. It's kind of weird. It's because it used to be the other way around. But each one can kind of have its pros and cons too. Okay, pulling back. If we get an entry here, now again, I'm trying to be a little more mindful when we're this far away from the EMA. I need to not chase the price as much, just need to be more patient. Right now, we're pretty far away from this EMA, so that's when I really need to be patient and just not jump in. Not get too aggressive with my entries when we're this far away from the EMA, even though this could just keep going higher, and it might. It's just, for me, it's not worth it. My sweet spot is about 3 at a time, and I might end up doing, like, I'll take some of my accounts and I'll just trade those accounts, copy trade maybe I'll copy trade 15 accounts for overnight trading, and then the other accounts I'll trade during the day. Like, I might do something like that. That way, one thing it also helps me is, this sounds kind of weird maybe, but I feel like it helps me if I have some accounts that I can trade off stream where I'm not like it helps me to be patient with my Apex accounts, if that makes sense. If I got an itch to trade, or like if I'm kind of borderline, you know, going on tilt, I'll take out my frustrations sometimes on one account, instead of doing it where I'm copy trading multiple accounts. Hey, Benno, let's see if this works. I think I have to pay him. Hey, Reactor Visual, thank you, thank you. That's what I do, 3 at a time. Okay, you do 3 at a time? Awesome. And that's, again, like, I mean, I think, yeah, either there is no right or wrong on how many accounts you can copy trade. I think you just have to, the main thing is you got to be honest with yourself. If you're copy trading 20 accounts and it is really affecting your trading, just be honest with yourself, and then you can always change it. If you trade better with only one at a time, that's okay. There is no right or wrong. So just do what works for you. You think we're going to all-time highs today, Reactor Visual? See, that we could, and I kind of want to be here for it if that happens. Kind of want to be here for it. We do have quite a bit of resistance up there at the 425s, the 420s. That the overnight session was, I think we had like a triple top up here, so maybe we go test that 420 area. And then maybe we have a little bigger pullback. Possibly. Man, this is looking so bullish. Isn't it crazy, guys? Remember I said there will be no trading until after 10:30. And look at this candle, right? This candle right here is the 10:30 candle. It was literally the bottom. I guess we should have just gone long right then, and things would be looking pretty nice. Actually, we're not going to complain. Enter connection data and click connect on all that account. Yeah. Could you answer Bendover's question? Sorry, I didn't mean to ignore it. What was the question? Hang on. Have you heard of anyone still getting the video requests from Apex, Bendover? I did. There was a guy in here last week that said he was asked to submit a video, and he did submit the video and was approved. So I guess it is, I haven't heard a lot of it, but I guess, yeah, that was last week. I believe it was last week. But I will say this, that there are quite a bit of people that did chargebacks. I'm not saying that, this happened to you if you're being asked, but there's quite a bit of people that did chargebacks, 6 months ago. And if you do a chargeback on Apex, you will be banned. And they are now banned, so they are now opening accounts under other identities, like their wife's name or their, kids' names, brothers' names, whatever. And that is why some of these video requests are being sent out to confirm that. So I think that's all. I mean, if you get asked, just submit the video. From what I've heard, submit the video and you will be good to go. I just got, oh, you did bend over. I see. But yeah, last week I did hear of someone bend over. That's interesting. So you were asked as well. Okay, well, now we know. What is a chargeback, John Lowe? Basically, you purchase an eval, and then after you blow it, you charge it back. You basically declare it as fraud to your credit card processor, and that will get you that'll get you banned. Anybody's still doing video requests? I think, yeah, some of it, depending on what they see. By the way, did you guys see that Top Step was? I saw some feedback from Top Step doing payout denials for what did they classify it as? Also noticing that Top Step's taking a lot longer to process their payouts. I don't know, something to keep in mind on. Keep an eye on it. Are you related to Oliver Closeoff? Oh my word. Was that trading bonds, Amelia? I forget what, like prohibited practices or something. Yeah. Your stepbrother. Some of you guys and your names are just too funny. Oh, by the way, I need to show you guys. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, we're pulling back, getting closer to that EMA. Let's be patient. We can get an entry. We might take this. Wait, Top Step introduces trade limits? What is that about? Hey, how we doing, Danny? Thank you for amazing content you share daily. Your live trading session have been incredibly helpful. Thank you, Danny. And thank you. I appreciate that. I saw that email from they got denied for trading bonds and something else. Oh, okay. Yeah, interesting, Amelia. I saw a screenshot of it, but you could barely read it. You could barely read it. Don't make me break out the electric train smoke question again. Uh-oh, can't. What did I miss? Yeah, see, this is starting to look a little sus. Little sus. I just need to... I don't want to be patient here. There's no reason to get aggressive here. There's no need. All right, guys. You know what? I think it's a good time to do a giveaway. Why don't we let me think about how we're going to do the giveaway. We're going to give away a total of $600 today, and this is thanks to Mo, Futures Trading, Kellyanne, and Patrick Wieland. Total donations of $600. So we are going to do $600 worth of giveaways. I'm trying to think how we do it. I don't want to drag it out. I don't want to drag it out to that it takes forever to do. But we could do something like 2 giveaways. Okay, if we do a $300 first place giveaway, and then I'm trying to think, how do we want to do this? It was one of those that you can't make up. You just gotta let slide on by. Payout approved last week, Thursday. I mean, you should be getting it in the next couple days, Blaine. Okay, now this market, yeah, I'm not interested. This makes me not want to trade this at all. No need. All right, let's do a giveaway. We could do $100 to 6 people. We could do maybe $100 to 6 people. Maybe that's the best way to do it. And I think, hang on. I think we'll do two. We'll just do two giveaways. We'll do two races. All right. We're going to start the first race. The first giveaway is officially open. Enter !Nutty to be for a chance. I think we'll do 2 races and $100 to the top 3. I think that's going to be the easiest, and I think that's the best way to do it. That way we're spreading out the money evenly, and do 2 races, $100 each. $100 to the top 3 on both races. Getting a big pullback here. Man, chat is going crazy. Chat is going crazy. All right, I wonder, we might get a bounce right here off the opening range, off the open price here at the 330s. This is looking, starting to look kind of bearish. Starting to look kind of bearish, but this thing could just rip straight back up. We've all seen crazier things, that's for sure. Again, you can only enter once. You can only enter once. So once you have entered and your name is in, you don't need to keep spamming the !Nutty. Once you're in, you're in. Wow, we have a lot of entries here. We will pick 15 names. 15 names will be entered in each duck race. All right, are we just gonna keep? Are we gonna? It's kind of interesting right here. I wonder if we hold the VWAP or not. We just completely fall apart and sell off here too. Really, really happy that I didn't take a trade here. Hey. Oh, it's almost tempting to go short. Hey. One of those days where your winners feel like losers. Oh, I just need Jose. Easy. Jose, you can only enter once. Hey, Aran, thank you. I appreciate it. It feels great to be green after the blood red yesterday. Wow, we are continuing lower down to the VWAP. The VWAP. Down she goes. It's feeling heavy. Jose. Okay, guys, we have how much time we got? 3 minutes. 3 minutes left to enter the duck race. 3 minutes. Wow, look at this thing go. She ripping lower now. What a move. Now I don't really have the mood to, I'm definitely not going to trade this. Wow, look at that thing rip lower. 300s now. Yeah, such violence. You've never gotten confirmation of a ticket, Ace Undercover? Hang on, let me look. Let me look, Ace Undercover. Yep, Ace Undercover, you're in. I can see you're in. You are in. Sometimes it's just hard to see it. It goes by so fast. What a rip lower. Now I'm just curious if this is going to continue and make new lows on the day. It's a very significant pullback here. All right, 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go, and it's time for the duck race. Let me get ready. Wow, what a rip lower. Man, oh man. It's almost tempting to go short. Tempting to go short, but nope, let's not do it. No reason to put us through that. All right, the race is, or the entry, the giveaway, it is over. It is time to pick the names. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, so if this is your first time, we were going to pick 15 names. Okay, we're going to pick 15 names, and then we are going to have one race, and then we're going to pick 15 more names and have another race. So, and then the top 3 race winners, the top 3 will each get $100 in both races. All right, here we go. The first name to be entered is Stephen M. Stephen M. Nicely done, and good luck, sir. All right, next name is going to be Paul Eddy. Paul Eddy. All right, next name is going to be Peter. Peter L. Congratulations, Peter L. And good luck. Good luck, sir. Next name, Alfredo Jimenez. Alfredo, good luck, sir. Next name is going to be Joanne Back. Joanne Back. Good luck. Next name, Blaze. Blaze R. Nice. Good luck, sir. And the next name is going to be Sarah. Hey, let's go, Sarah. We got you in here. Good luck. Next name, Ari Isaac. Ari Isaac. Congratulations and good luck. And now the next name. There you go. Craft Costanza. Craft Costanza. All right. Next name, Insomnia Zero. Insomnia Zero. That's a weird, hard name for me to pronounce for some reason. All right. We got to eliminate 5 names now. Don't worry. You will still be in. All right, next name, Trade with Hamza. Let's go, Trade with Hamza. Good luck, sir. Let's go. Next name, Nathaniel Feather. Nathaniel Feather. All right, congratulations. Good luck, sir. Next name, Zelda Palm. Zelda Palm. And the next name is going to be Stephen Arthur Schaefer. Okay, now last name for this race. The last name for this race is Matthew Van Zant. Matthew Van Zant. All right, there you go. We have our names. Now, here's the duck. Oh, yeah, we're going to do a duck race. The next race, we'll do a Santa Claus race or something. Something Christmas spirit. Okay, here we go. You can see these are all your names. And we're going to do a 2-minute race. Are you ready? Here we go. And they're off. Why can't I hear it? Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. Hang on. I gotta get my headphones. I got the wrong headphones on. All right, we're good. Okay, we have Alfredo Jimenez in the lead. Why is the sound not coming on? We have a sound. Okay, sound is back. Okay, sound is on. We are good to go. Alfredo Jimenez in the lead. Here comes Joanne back, giving Alfredo a challenge. Here comes Sarah, the snowman duck, trying to make a move. Feel like this duck has an advantage. Look at the extended bill that this duck has. This seems like an unfair advantage, and this will need to be further investigated at the end of this race. Here comes Stephen Arthur, the pink duck, trying to make a move. We are down to 1 minute to go. Stephen Arthur with the move into first place, neck and neck with Blaze R. We have Peter L., the alien suit, trying to make a move. Here comes Alfredo Jimenez from the back of the pack. He's trying to make a move, but Stephen Arthur and Blaze R are neck and neck heading into the final 40 seconds. Here comes Kraft Costanza. Here he comes, trying to make a move. Alfredo Jimenez is also picking up speed. Can he overtake them? Kraft Costanza now, neck and neck. We've got a 6-way tie for first place here. Who will pull ahead? Here comes Trade Hamza trying to make a move. 16 seconds to go. Who will win it? Someone from the back of the pack. Are they going to make a move? 8 seconds to go. Here comes Sarah, the snowman duck. Can he do it? And here comes Kraft Costanza from the back of the pack. And there you have it. The first place winner is Kraft Costanza. But we might have a dilemma. We might have ourselves a dilemma here, folks. As you can see, Sarah has the extended snowman bill. Did that, after full investigation, it looks like that was not part of what got her into second place. So, Sarah, you have been free and cleared. After further investigation, the second place prize is going to go to you. That seemed a little sus. I'll be honest. That extended bill seems like an advantage, but the aerodynamics on this duck should also be better with that size and that shape of a duck bill. But hey, it is what it is. There you go. You have your first, second, and third place finish. Kraft Costanza, Sarah, and Blaze R. Congratulations on your winnings. This, let me sign in. Hang on. Congratulations on your winnings. I don't want to hear myself, okay? All right, here's the email. I'm going to put the email in. I need you guys to send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel and send it to that email, and I will and also include your PayPal email. Your PayPal email will be needed, and then I will get you that $100 sent ASAP. All righty, boys. Oh man, what a race. It's unfortunate Trade Hamza just could not quite get there. Feel like if he had an extended beak, he might have been able to get third place. Congratulations, everyone. $100 coming your way. All right, now we're going to do the next set. So we are going to... a fresh set of names. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to just have a fresh set of names. If you entered already in this race, obviously you cannot be entered again. And I'm also going to Okay, I'm going to open the entries again for about 2-3 minutes. So if you just joined, you can get in again. You can get in on this race. Okay? Exclamation mark Nutty. But if you were already entered, you do not need to enter again. You are already in it. Okay? But I'm just opening it up for those that just joined. Enter your name and you can get entered again. Not twice. You only get entered once. So if you've already been in, no need to type your name again. We're going to keep this open for a couple minutes here.
Order canceled.
This, let me exclamation mark Nutty. I'll keep it open maybe till 12. We'll keep it open till like 12:15 or something, and then we'll go on. Actually, here, what's the market doing? So market is trying to make a move higher now. Pretty significant pullback here. Just don't. I might call it a day. I might call it a day from here. I would hate to take one more trade and then have like a $200 loss. That would really ruin my day. So we might call it here and just I'm more than happy with today. We can have another day like this tomorrow. We can still end up the day and we can still have a good rest of the week. One day on Monday. Monday doesn't define our week. We still have a chance to turn it around. All right. Okay, last call. Last call. I am going to end the entries. I am going to end the entries. There we go. Entry. It is now closed. All right, this is the second race. Same as the other one. Let's go. Let's pick the names. And the first name is going to be Angus. You know, I love you guys in chat. All right, next name. Hey, let's go. Go SPVC. Nicely done. Nicely done. Next name is going to be Horst Meyer. Congratulations and good luck. Next name, GigaRick222. GigaRick222. Next name, Kitty Cutie. You gotta love it. Congratulations and good luck. Hey, the next name, please and thank you. All right, good luck, sir. Good luck. Next name, hey, this is an very OP name, Wood Chip. Congratulations, Wood Chip, and good luck. Hey, another one, Trader Tate. Congratulations, Trader Tate, and good luck. And the next name will be, hey, another name, an OP. D-Versatility. Let's go. D-Versatility. Congratulations and good luck. Next name is going to be OM. OM. All right, now we need to get rid of 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the race. All right, next name, Tommy DeShields. Tommy DeShields. All right, next name is going to be Cameron Lee. All right, let's go, Cameron Lee. And the next name is going to be Cody. Let's go, Cody. I like your name, by the way. Awesome name. And the next name is going to be Mist Trading. Mist Trading. And this will be the final name. Final name is going to be, oh dear. I know your name. I know I see you in chat a lot, but I'm just going to call you K. Because Lord help me if I am supposed to pronounce that. I will call you KM. KM is what I will call you. I hope that's okay. All right. All right, here we go. There are all the names. You can see all the names. Now, 2-minute race. Let's do this. Is everybody ready? Let's do the shuffling of the characters. There we go. Oh, you know what? We were going to do a different... it's okay. We can't do it now. All right. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First, second, and third place get $100 each. Good luck. And... Oops. They're off. And they're off. Here we go. Horstmeyer taking the early lead, followed by Cameron Lee. And we have down at the bottom of your screen, we got Angus, and Cody in right behind him. Tommy DeShields and Woodchip, close second place. We got Cameron Lee and Horst. Cameron Lee now pulling ahead in clear first place, but not so fast. Here comes Angus, taking over the lead by a half a length. But here comes KM in the pink duck. He is making a move and has now taken the lead with 1 minute and 20 seconds to go. Now, you got to remember, you got to pace yourself, KM. You're going way too fast. We don't know if this is going to hold up. You got to pace yourself. Here comes Go SPVC, and we have Horstmeyer, Gigaric, Trader Tate, D-Versatility bringing up the rear. She's trying to reserve her energy. Here's Cody from the back of the pack as well. Now we've got a neck and we got a 5-way tie for first place. KM has significantly fallen off. He is reserving his energy. Now, Please and Thank You has taken the lead by half a length over Gigaric, and then followed by Trader Tate and Kitty Cutie. Kitty Cutie in third place, trying to make a move to first place. There she comes. We are down to 30 seconds to go. Who will take over? Please and Thank You with a commanding length lead. Mist Trading now, trying to make a move. Oh, and Please and Thank You just fell down, and she is out of it. She fell down and broke a leg. Here comes D-Versatility now. Kitty Cutie with the lead, but not so fast. Here comes KM out of nowhere. He's gonna take this, and now here comes Please and Thank You, but I don't think he was fast enough. What a race. KM took it to heart. When I was telling KM to reserve his energy, he knew it. He took that advice to heart. He reserved his energy and made a significant push at the end of the race, and he will get the win. So, first place, KM. Second place, Trader Tate. Third place, Mist Trading. Congratulations, and thank you for playing. Woodchip, very close to placing. Please and Thank You, almost recovered from his broken leg. Maybe I should say a broken wing, but just completely fell off, almost recovered. And the rest of the pack was pretty congested. But we have KM, Trader Tate, and Mist Trading to round it out. And there you have it. That's the race. That's all we got for you today. I will put my email in again, just in case you didn't see it. Oh man, that's got me sweating. Congratulations, everyone. All right. If you keep going, you can make your way to sports commentator. Maybe I can do that like afternoon sessions and evening. All right, everybody. Thanks for playing. And again, thanks to Kellyanne, Patrick Wheeland, and Mo for the very generous donations today to sponsor the duck races. The duck races were sponsored and brought to you by Trading with Kellyanne and Patrick Wheeland and Mo. It was brought to you by those fine folks. All right. Send me that email and I will get you paid. And I think I think I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to walk away today, a nice green day, and there's just no need to do any further damage to. I will take my nice green day and walk away. Again, I'm going to wait to activate my other remaining 4 past 50K evals. I'm going to wait until I have these accounts closer to 50K balance. That way, when I start copy trading, all of them will grow together. It's like an OCD thing for me. So I'm going to do that. Okay, Craft Costanza, Blaze R, and Sarah, I got your email. I just need the email now for, hey, okay, I'm already getting the emails. Thank you, thank you. Again, if you placed in the duck race, what do we do if you win mistrading? Send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel and an email for your PayPal account, and I will send that money to you right away. So just need an email with your PayPal email account and a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure it's actually you and not someone impersonating you. So let me make sure I got all this stuff flagged correctly. How long do you have to pay for the PA? 30 days. Hey, Elephant Whisperer. Good to see you, Elephant Whisperer. It's been a while. I recognize you. How's it going? Good to see you. Hey, thank you, John. Thank you. All right, guys. I am going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a day there. Take care. Thanks, everyone, again, for the support. And thank you again, the generous donations. I appreciate it. I hope you guys all had a green day. And let's be back tomorrow. And I would not mind just duplicating what happened today and duplicate it again tomorrow. That'd be great. I would be fine with that. So I guess we'll wait and see. Can I send the email even if I didn't win? You sure can, Amakre. All right, everybody, take care and God bless.